Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to merge layers in Krita. To merge layers downward, select the top layer in the layers docker. Then right-click it and choose Merge with Layer below. This instantly merges the selected layer into the one beneath it, preserving the combined artwork on one layer. To speed things up, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to merge the active layer to the one below it. If you want to merge multiple layers at once, first select two or more layers. Hold Shift to select a range or Control to pick individual ones. Once they are highlighted, right-click any selected layer and choose the Merge option. Krita then combines all chosen layers into a single layer. Keep in mind that once you merge, you lose individual layer editability, so it's a good idea to save a backup file or duplicate layers before merging if you think you may need to edit them later. And that's how you merge layers in Krita. Thanks for watching.